In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open settings in Safari. If you're using an iPhone or iPad and you want to change how Safari works, the first thing to know is that Safari settings are not usually adjusted from inside the Safari app itself. On recent versions of iOS and iPadOS, Apple manages Safari's options through the main settings app on your device. So if you've been looking around inside Safari and not finding what you need, that's completely normal. To get started, unlock your iPhone or iPad and open the Settings app. This is the app with the gear icon that controls your device's system options. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find Apps, then tap on it. This section groups together settings for the apps installed on your device, including Apple's built-in apps. After that, look for Safari and tap it. This will open the full Safari settings menu. From here, you can review and adjust a wide range of options depending on what you need. For example, you can change your default search engine if you want Safari to search the web using a different service. You can also update privacy and security options, which can help control how websites track your activity or how Safari handles warnings about fraudulent websites. You'll also find options related to downloads, which is useful if you want to change where downloaded files are stored. If you use browser extensions, this is also where you can manage them. In addition, there may be settings for tabs, content blockers, autofill, and other browsing preferences that affect your overall Safari experience. When you make changes here, they apply to Safari on that device, so it's a good idea to take a moment and look through the menu carefully. If you're following along for one specific setting, just stay in this section and tap the option you want to update. One helpful tip is to remember that the layout may look slightly different depending on your iPhone or iPad model and the version of iOS or iPadOS you're using, but the overall process is the same. The key idea is simple. Safari settings are accessed through the Settings app, not from within Safari. So again, to open Safari settings on iPhone or iPad, open Settings, scroll down and tap Apps, tap Safari, and then adjust any Safari settings you want. That's it.